Hey guys, welcome to another video episode of CoinSutra, and today I'm going to share a beginner's guide to Bybit. Now in this video I'm going to help you understand more about Bybit, help you understand how you can sign up, create an account, and a lot of those tidbits that many of you miss out, especially related to security. So this video is going to be very interesting. Just grab a cup of coffee and let's dive in. So very first thing, what is Bybit? Bybit is a crypto exchange which offer various market. Here you can buy crypto using fiat, or you can deposit cryptocurrencies and you can start trading in different currencies. They offer different markets including spot market, leverage trading. They also have trading bot, and they also offer copy trading feature. And if you're in a country where you need P2p trading feature, Bybit also offers that. But to get started, you need an account. Now many of you might be asking, what is the KYC requirement of Bybit? Here is very interesting bit. You can actually create an account without doing KYC. The daily limit for non-KYC user is about 20k USDT and monthly limit is 100k USDT. So if you have an account on Bybit without KYC, you can still withdraw up to 100k USDT a month. And what that means is, even if you are withdrawing one Bitcoin or Ethereum or any other token, the cumulative value should not exceed 20k in 24 hours or 100k in a month. Now you can always increase your limit by completing the KYC, and you can increase the limit to 1 million USDT value per day. Now, if you look at the traffic analytics, the category rank for Bybit is about 7 in Russia. The global rank is about 4078, and it's just below Binance and CoinMarketCap. And I have been seeing Bybit growing from very basic to now becoming one of the best crypto exchanges out there. So if you have not used Bybit, this is your time to get started and create an account. Before you sign up, of course, there are a few more things that you should know. Bybit earlier, their headquarters was in Singapore. Now their headquarters is in Dubai, UAE. And the reason being that UAE is very open for the cryptocurrency industry. And a lot of crypto exchanges and crypto projects have moved to Dubai in the recent times. And they also have a fully fledged mobile app. And if you are somebody who likes to trade or use exchange function on the mobile, you would not be disappointed with their mobile app. So that's just a few things about Bybit. Now, the very first thing you want to do is create an account. So you can use our special link which will help you to claim extra discount. So just simply click on the link which is given in the description or in the YouTube card, and then you will be on the page. Now click on sign up. These are some of the rewards that you would get when you are using our link. Now if you deposit $3,000 and trade up to $10k, you would be getting $100 just for performing this function. So if you're using any other exchange, you can actually start using Bybit and you can make this money. So, and if you're like one of those pro traders, this is your opportunity to earn up to $30,000. Sounds good? So very first thing, to create an account, you can create account using email or mobile number depending on what's your requirement. So let me quickly create an account using email, and then click on get my welcome gift. Right, you will get a OTP on your email if you're using an email feature. If you're using phone number to sign up, you will be getting an OTP on your mobile number. So simply copy that OTP here. And this is how the dashboard looks like. Now you have multiple options, right? You can actually, if you like, you can start adding fund. But before you do that, I highly recommend you to improve your security level, because right now it says the security level is low. And since crypto exchanges will have your money, it's very important that you secure your account by enabling 2FA and other features which they offer. So the very first thing you should be doing is click on this security level, which you can also access by clicking here, and click on account and security. So let's do that. Okay, so here are a few things. The very first thing that you should be doing is enabling the two-factor authentication. And two-factor authentication is something that you should not miss out on when you're using any crypto exchanges, to make sure that you don't lose your funds, or even if your account gets hacked, like somebody get access to your password. But without Google 2FA or two-factor authentication, they would not be able to withdraw the funds. So it is very important, right? So very first thing, let's click on this one. And to set up the Google 2FA, we need to add verification code from the email. And you need to click on send verification code in order to receive the code. So click on confirm, and then you are on this page. Now this is where you are seeing your Google Authenticator login. Now what you need to do is you need to scan the QR code, this QR code from your Google Authenticator app. right? And make sure that this key that you see here might be blurred for you, but this is something that you need to keep a backup of this on with you. Because what happens is if you lose access to your mobile phone, which has 2FA, you can always get access to 2FA by using this key. And this is very important. So if you are not aware of it, make sure that you do this. In fact, if you have not done this for your other exchanges or other accounts, you can always disable 2FA and then re-enable 2FA and then make a copy of this backup key. So let me quickly do that. Now, once you have scanned the QR code on your Google Authenticator app, you will be getting a code on that Authenticator app. Now you need to paste this code here. So let me quickly do this and then click on confirm. So now this is done, the page will refresh. Perfect. So now we are logged in and our security level is medium. You can again click on it and you can enhance your security further by adding SMS authentication if you like, or you can, use identity verification. But this is my favorite, anti-phishing code, and I'll show you what it means. So whenever you're getting an email from Bybit, whatever code that you're going to add here will be shown on the email like this, like here. So this example that you see here, that is what will be written there. So that is the code which I'll be getting every time I would be receiving an email from Bybit. Now make sure that you add an anti-phishing code while you are setting up your Bybit account. And then click on confirm. Now again, enter the 2FA code to confirm your changes which you're making. Now this part is done. Let's refresh this page again. Alright, so next thing is identity verification. Now depend on your goal, you can get your identity verification done by submitting the documents. So there are few documents that they accept, for example, ID and selfie for the level 1 or proof of address for level 2 when you want way more withdrawal. But if you don't want to verify right now, you're just getting started, you can skip verification. And if you're a business, if you're opening a corporate account, you can always click on business verification and complete your verification. If you have done everything so far, then that means you are okay to move ahead. Now, very first thing you need to know is to get started, you need to start depositing fund, right? You can deposit fund using fiat currency like USD, GBP, Euro, but for that you need to complete the identity verification. But if you have USDT or other cryptocurrencies, you can actually go to stable and click on funding. Right, and here you can click on, so this is a new account, so there are no balance, but you can click on deposit and you can deposit cryptocurrency of your choice. Now if you want to deposit fiat, you can click on fiat and then you can deposit any of these supported fiat currencies. So for example, if you want to deposit USD, you can click on USD. You can do wire transfer via US bank, or you can do a wire transfer via Swift. So depending on which country you are from and what is the payment mode you want to use, you can add fund. Now once you have the fund, you can always go to assets and funding and you can see your fund here. Now very important thing which a lot of people get confused with is Bybit offers different kind of trading. Like they have spot trading, they have derivative trading, they have USDC derivative trading, and they also have an earn program where you can actually deposit your crypto and earn a return on it. So basically what Bybit does is like they offer the same crypto to leverage traders and they make money from there and pass on the benefit to the users. But if you have funds in your funding account, you need to move fund to your trading account or your derivative account in order to start trading. So what you need to do is you need to click on transfer and you need to select the fund which you have, right? Like for example, USDT and whatever fund you have, you can click on confirm and the fund will be transferred. And I'm just going to give you a quick overview of what else you can do, right? So you can always click on earn and here you can find like all the program. So you can find different product that Bybit has, and I'll be talking about this in the upcoming days, but to give you an idea, like, you can basically stake RDNT token, which is a new token, and you can earn up to 80% APY. And of course, this is not an investment advice. In fact, none of my videos are investment advice. They are just for educational purpose. And I suggest you to do your more research before you invest in any of the cryptocurrency. And we do have a course about this at CoinSutra, so you can read that also. Now, once you have the fund, you can always go to trade, spot trading if you want to do the spot trading, or if you want to derivative trading, you can do derivative trading. Now, if you're somebody who doesn't know trading at all, you can always use the copy trade feature of Bybit. Here you can find different traders who are offering their services. You can see their ROI over a period of time, and you can just simply copy their trades. For example, let's say if I like this guy and his ROI is about 22.57%, I can simply click on copy and I can allocate a fund that I have. So let's say if I have $1,000, I can just simply add that. So this is how you can always get started with the copy trading. I'll do a detailed video on the copy trading feature, but this video is just to give you an idea of what all you can do with on Bybit. Now, if you're not a trader and if you just want to invest, you can simply click on buy crypto, one click buy. And this is a simple interface for the people, right? Like who don't want to trade, but they want to accumulate crypto for long term. You can simply decide what you want to buy. So for example, you want to accumulate Bitcoin for the long term. You can buy Bitcoin for $100 using USD, and then you can add fund using bank transfer, or you can also buy using credit card. So do understand that depending on which method you use, you'll be paying fees accordingly. So yes, that's how you get started on Bybit. They also have P2p feature where you can use different method to buy cryptocurrencies from people around the world. So depending on the country you're in, the payment method you want to use, you can directly deal with the person based on different factor. Again, P2p trading is very interesting, something I'll talk about in the upcoming video. And if you don't want to miss out on that, you can simply subscribe to our channel and like this video. So guys, this is pretty much features that I wanted to show you today to help you get started. Make sure that you use the link in the description to get the extra bonus as I showed you earlier. And if you have any question about Bybit, let me know in the comment section below. With that, I will see you in the next video. Bye bye. This is Harsh from CoinSutra.